The U.S. Fed says its key borrowing rates will remain steady. But the Fed Chair Jerome Powell is hinting at a rate hike later this year as its battle against inflation is not over yet. Seung-jae with more.
Following a two-day Federal Open Market Committee meeting, the U.S. Fed on Wednesday decided to freeze its key interest rates in the 5.25% to 5.50% range. The latest rate freeze marks just the second time the central bank has decided to leave its key borrowing rates unchanged since aggressive rate hikes first began in March 2022 in an effort to bring inflation down to its target of 2%. The U.S. Fed said its latest decision to freeze rates is in line with its goals of achieving maximum employment and dampening inflation to 2% over the long run. In a press release, the U.S. Central Bank said that recent indicators show that economic activities has been expanding at a solid pace and that while job gains have slowed in recent months but remain strong, the employment rate has remained low. It also added that the U.S. banking system is sound and resilient. Meanwhile, during a press conference, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell hinted at the likelihood of another rate hike down the road.
Today, we decided to leave our policy interest rate unchanged and to continue to reduce our securities holdings. Looking ahead, we are in a position to proceed carefully in determining the extent of additional policy firming that may be appropriate.
The latest rate freeze by the U.S. Federal Reserve leaves the gap between the key rates of South Korea and the U.S. in the 1.75 to 2 percentage points range. Seung-jae, Arirang News.